subtopics, and if a student or any person wants to include any other similar subtopic which could be regarding or similar to the smart city vision, so that is also very much welcome. Second thing is that how and what are the basic guidelines about it. That one is that one has to submit all these in online only. The last date is 15th of October. We've already provided a few times letters to all the institutions regarding this. So the third thing is that what would be the limit of the words of the essay. So that we've limited to the 1000 words. How would a person submit their paintings? So that could be in any size, but it should be a scanned copy. The third thing is that while naming a file, there is a very important thing. When you upload it, the system is like this, that it won't take any other name, but the name should be with alphanumeric characters. You can use underscore as well as a dash. Only these characters are allowed. No special other characters are allowed. Because these are the things that are creating problem, and people are calling us for all these things, students as well. So it was just so that you guys get familiarized with it and enable the students with the same. The size of the file, whether it's a scanned copy of the painting or it's an essay, the file size has to be limited to 4 MBs only. If it goes beyond that, it won't be uploaded at all. The third thing is that what are the file types that a painting or an essay that can go in. There are JPG, JPEG, PNG and PDF. No Word files are supposed to be uploaded. It won't take them. The third thing is that the video competition. So how a person or a student can upload a video is, you can upload your video through your Gmail account on YouTube and share the same on MCF ka website as well as mygov.in. Actually everything that we are doing is supposed to be done by MyGov, but we've formulated our system, we've designed our website in such a way that everybody comes to one platform, and you don't have to roam around anywhere. The following slides will give you a detail about that also. These are the basic things that you guys already know, that what are the competition prizes for essays which are open for everybody and for schools as well. What are the prizes that would be for painting and video? MCF would also do for that. These are the two basic platforms which need to be circulated to each and every student and everybody in the city, because all the activities vd.com will find our page which says that this is the link for the essay. The picture which shows with last date this, once a person clicks on this picture, like you can see how to submit, then you have step 1. One is this step, then you go to the next step. Next step would take you to this link of the website, and this would be the page that would open. This page would consist of all the activities regarding your survey 1, 2 and 3, posters, the painting competition that we are doing, the essay competition as well as the video competition. So we brought everything here. From here you can choose what all activities and which all thing you want to go forward with. The next comes on the third. Once you click on any activity, this is supposed to be for the essay. Once you go for the essay wala then it takes you to MyGov ka website where we have.
We will follow.
You just motivate the student, just motivate the student.
आप अपना मोबाइल नंबर दे दीजिए.
अभी आपको जो है ना आपसे एक्सचेंज कर लेंगे, and he will be engaging so many persons. It's not an issue कि अकेला कहाँ जाएगा, ये हम engage करके that's our headache, हम उसमें कमी नहीं रहने देंगे, आपको सभी को हम प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे. अपलोडिंग में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, but that should be ready. जब भी कोई जाए, अगर वो रेडी नहीं है फिर उसका बार-बार चक्कर तो नहीं लगेंगे, ठीक है ना. इसमें जहाँ तक आप डेट वाली बात कह रहे हैं ना, हमने 25 सितंबर को सभी को एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट को कन्वे कर दिया था. That was their job. We are not, they had to file finding only, but they did not do anything. That's why we are sitting today face to face. So we have so many other actually things जो smart city के लिए हमें immediately करनी पड़ रही हैं. And the main thing regarding this is that the consultant is not going to prepare any reports. It is citizens' participation, your vision, that will count. This is happening for the first time. Whatever you write, we will take notes from that, then prepare our report on that basis. That's why this is very important. One thing is, if you upload it, then this shows our citizen participation, and that has got very good points. Number one, we will be knowing what we want. When we sit across, we can't know exactly what we want. What we want is through these essays, or through pictures, or through other suggestions. You can upload anything on Facebook, Twitter, everything is there on the MCF website. That's why I called you.
सर्वे फॉर्म भी है, भी जैसे आपको दिखाया था ना, इसमें कई सारी एक्टिविटी है। ये हिंदी का दिया है, इंग्लिश का भी दे देते हैं आपको। तो ये सर्वे फॉर्म भी आप बच्चों से भरवा सकते हैं, उनके पेरेंट्स से भरवा सकते हैं, उस पर सजेशन मांगे गए हैं। ऐसे के अलावा कुछ और एक्टिविटी भी हैं, जैसे सर्वे फॉर्म में डिटेल इसमें लिखनी है। पहले बात, आप क्या कमी देख रहे हैं, क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं, तो ये कमियां हैं, इनको इस तरह से ठीक किया जाता है, वो सजेशन देने हैं। वो सारा इसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर की सेट में बना रखा है। वो जितनी ज़्यादा मैक्सिमम, हमें लगभग 5 लाख ये फॉर्म भी भरने हैं। और ऐसे का जो कंपटीशन है, ये सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नहीं है, आप इसमें सभी टीचर्स को और पेरेंट्स को ओपन सबको इनवाइट करें।
There are two things. One is for students only, another one is open for everyone. There are separate prizes for both of them. Anyone can. Rather, I would like the language teachers हैं, at least they should do something with that.
इसके जो फॉर्म की कॉपीज हमें बाकी स्टूडेंट्स को देनी है या पेरेंट्स को देनी है।
ये फॉर्म ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, आप इसको ऑनलाइन भी भर सकते हैं। ज़्यादा पेपर यूज ना करें तो बेहतर रहेगा। फिर भी हम हार्ड कॉपी आपके पास भिजवा देंगे, जो जितनी कॉपी कहेगा हार्ड कॉपी हमारे पास भिजवा दीजिए। 1000, 2000, 5000 जितने फॉर्म कहेंगे वो भी भिजवा देंगे हम आपके पास, क्योंकि 5 लाख फॉर्म हमें भरने हैं। ऑनलाइन ज़्यादा बेहतर रहेगा कि ऑनलाइन भर लें। और प्राइवेट स्कूल वाले तो वैसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव रहते हैं, तो इसमें सारे बच्चों को आप कहेंगे घर में बैठे बैठे इसको लोड करें, ये फॉर्म जो है वो करें, ऐसे करें, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बैठ करके लिखें, पेरेंट्स से करवाएं, अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में भी जहाँ तक हो सके। आजकल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बहुत लंबे चौड़े बने होते हैं, अपने ग्रुप में सबको कहें कि भी सब ऐसे लिखें, सजेशंस लिखें, हमें इसमें सुझाव दीजिए। कल ही मैं अपने भतीजे के साथ बैठा था, वैसे मैंने तो घर में चर्चा नहीं की थी, तो वैसे ही उसने मुझे कह दिया कि बॉम्बे में स्काई वॉकवे बना है, कि वो क्यों नहीं बना सकते हम फैजाबाद में। ये बहुत अच्छा सजेशन है। कहीं भी जैसे हमारी जो फुटपाथ पे आजकल ग्रीनरी है, अगर हम उन ग्रीनरीज में हम कुछ करते हैं, साइकिल ट्रैक बनाते हैं, कुछ करते हैं, वो ग्रीनरीज सारी उजड़ जाएंगी। उतने खर्चे में स्काई वॉकवे बन सकता है, स्काई जो है ना साइकिल ट्रैक बन सकता है, और ना उन लोगों को ट्रैफिक की डिस्टर्बेंस होगी, चक्कर लगने का भी चक्कर नहीं होगा, उस तरह से सारा प्रोविजन कर सकता हूँ। तो ऐसे सुझाव होगा, उसमें 40 लिए जाएंगे, फिर अगले में 40 लिए जाएंगे, तो हम क्यों ना टॉप 20 में आए, हम उसकी कोशिश करें।
और टॉप 20 के लिए सर क्या मतलब आपको ये जिससे हम आपको हेल्प कर सकें?
इसको तो बंद करना।
हमारा रोल क्या है उसमें? ये तो चलो ऐसे हो गया बच्चों के, हमारा पर्सनल क्या रोल?
Okay, today we are in the first 100 cities in the smart city project. For that, you all deserve congratulations. This has happened due to your guidance and cooperation, participation. Now the competition is to be among the first 20. And for that, there are few things which I would like to discuss with you. One is, we have a consultant, All India of Local Self-Government. But he will not be preparing any DPRs, any reports. Everything will come from you. Whatever citizens want, that will be given to them. They will prepare the reports along with financial model. Then again we will come to you. This is the financial model involved, and from this so much will be borne by the citizens themselves. For example, if you want 24/7 water supply, 24/7 electricity supply, then we have to little bit bear more expenses for that. If people say yes, okay, we are ready to do it, then that will be part of that DPR, otherwise that won't be. And for the first time, this is competition among the government departments, among the cities, not due to entitlement. Otherwise what used to happen was, there was a criteria for population. If anyone is having more than 10 lakh population, that will be there. That is not now there. Everything is open and everything is transparent. We have to compete. And luckily we are in Faridabad, that is not near to Delhi, but that is in Delhi. That is the plus point for us. People can come here, large industries can come here, large investors can come here for investments. We need not go after them, they are after us. The only thing is that we are in the first 20. What is smart city? Smart city means strong infrastructure, strong IT usage, so that our life is little bit decent. That is smart city. We want the roads should be clean, there should not be any potholes on the roads, there should be footpaths, there should be cycle tracks, there should be underground wiring, everything should be through LED or solar. That is our requirement. We have to use our water, recycled water, we have to recycle our sanitary water. For that, treatment plants have to be there. If we don't recycle that water, then there will be shortage of water ultimately. Regarding electricity, regarding water, we have to be there that we have legal connections of water. If we don't have connection, no one will be coming to us to provide 24/7 water supply. So these issues need to be there in the smart city project. There are 4 things. One is, there can be retrofitting in at least 250 acres, 500 acres. That means already existing structures, existing sectors can be redeveloped, can be redrafted rather, with better facilities. Plus point is that our population is around 20 lakhs and we should expect at least 25% participation. That's why we are planning to have, we are a target of 5 lakhs. Similarly in SA, I have been told that there are around 2 lakh students in your schools, those who are present today. If you can ensure at least 50% from them, then 1 lakh comes. And 1 lakh is a big number. What they want, irrespective of the fact that there will be heavy prices, 1000 words is the maximum limit. If any student wants to write only 100 sentences, no problem. 100 words, no problem. But he must upload. We are not going to do that we can engage in Saurabh and ask him, you go on uploading and changing the sentence and uploading. We want real participation. That's why we have called you all, and we know if you all come together, this is a movement, and through movement we achieve freedom. This is only smart city. Why can't you achieve this? And this is a matter of pride for all of us. I happened to go to Bangalore last month. There I was introduced as Commissioner Municipal Corporation Faridabad. Oh, Faridabad, that is an under cities. So this is a big issue. You must have come across such things, or you will come across such things in future. Wherever you go, especially in South. I went to Sri Lanka, at Colombo they also said, Faridabad is a smart city. So if we come in 20, that will be a big boost. And people are after us. We have got the metro, this 6-lane, 8-lane highway is under progress. So luckily, if we get this, if we are included in the first 20, this will give a big boost to the city, and investors will definitely be here. You need not worry about the finances. We will have enough finance available with us. The only thing you can do, and which we hope you will definitely do, is that you just participate. Not only you, means your school participates in a big way. All students, the maximum number we get from any school, we will recognize that. We will highlight that in our MCF website. Yeah.
You can easily motivate the students. Every class has a class teacher and a class representative. So probably you can ask class teacher and class representative to ensure every student submitted, and you can bypass your responsibility to them, and only then it's possible. If you need to run to 2000 students, it won't be possible. So you have a chain of responsibility and you can use them. So tell class teachers to ensure that class representative gets it submitted for all the students.
Any time your IT man or you can approach him, he will be sending his men to you. You can but fix up the time so that at that time, particular time, he may not come back empty-handed. Thanks a lot.
अभी हमने हार्ड कॉपी जो अभी पीपीटी दी है उसकी हार्ड कॉपी निकलवा दी है, अभी अवेलेबल करा रहे हैं आपको, और में मेल पर पहुंच जाएगी,
इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट
जी भी पहुंच जाएगी। आप हमारी मेल पर ही भेज देना, जितनी भी रिक्वायरमेंट है उतने फॉर्म भी आपके पास, हार्ड कॉपी जितनी चाहिए उतनी रिक्वायरमेंट।
सेकेंडली काफी मीन्स हमने आपको बताए हैं पार्टिसिपेशन के, इसके अलावा आपको कोई भी नजर आता है, you can participate like that, you are welcome to do it. We expect innovations from you, so that's why you can participate in any way, whatever way you like. But participation must be there. That's our request. This is for your city, and on this picture I was just reading it. शहर हमारा, जिम्मेवारी भी हमारी, बच्चा भी ये लिख रहा है,
और ये गांव से है सर।
और बच्चों का तो बच्चे वैसे यूर्स ओबिडेंटली लिखते हैं, जितने ओबिडेंट बच्चे आपकी बात को मानते हैं, आई डोंट थिंक कोई भी किसी की बात को इतना ओबिडेंटली मानता है। So that's why we expect a lot from you. और मुझे कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशन, 2 लाख तो एक्सपेक्टेशन करूँगा मैं आपकी तरफ से होंगी।
सर
वो कैन एश्योर मी।
एक चीज़ मैं कहना चाहता था कि जैसे आज हमने 11th आवर्स पे ये मीटिंग की, क्या हम इस मीटिंग का हमारे सारे स्कूल हेड्स 100% और उसके IT सेक्टर के जो लोग हैं, जो कंसर्न है, उनका भी एक मीटिंग की सुपरवाइज कर सकते हैं हम उसको?
आप जैसा टाइम मीटिंग, if I am not available, my SC will be coming, the whole team will be coming, because I am engaged everywhere nowadays, industry people they are also coming. You can do like that, anything is welcome, but we have got only limited time and everything is to be submitted online. That means जो गवर्नमेंट का चलता था, बैक डेट में साइन करके चलता था, वो चलने वाला नहीं है। ऑनलाइन, एवरीथिंग इज ऑनलाइन, दैट इज ओपन अप। जैसे आपका आजकल सीरियल्स में आप देखते हैं, लाइंस आर ओपन ओनली अप टू दिस पीरियड। नाउ द लाइंस आर ओपन।
स्टार नंबर फ्रॉम ईच स्कूल शुड पार्टिसिपेट। जो सारे कंपलसरी भी कर सकते हैं हम उसको, क्लास 5 से ऑनवर्ड तो कंपलसरी कर सकते हैं। लेट एवरीबॉडी पार्टिसिपेट। एक हाँ, उनमें जागरूकता तो आएगी, चाहे वो कम लिखे ज़्यादा लिखे, बट एटलीस्ट दे विल नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्मार्ट सिटी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
15th of October only।
ये वाला
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, ये सब के लिए 3 दिन हमारे पास बकाया है सबके लिए। हाँ, उसके बाद जो डिस्कशन होगा, कोई फाइनल रिजल्ट क्या निकला है इसका, वो डिस्कशन होगा, वो 30 नवंबर तक है।
Multiplied by 5, so 2.5 lakh। तो देखिए पार्टिसिपेशन तो डिपेंड करता है कि हम कितना मोटिवेट बच्चों को करेंगे, एंड लेट मोटिवेशन बी मैक्सिमम फ्रॉम द हार्ट ऑफ ईच वन ऑफ अस।
This is your city, your program.
Yes,
We are just to motivate, that's all.
we'll do our best.
And for that you can keep some hours free for the students, maybe half hour or maybe first half or second half for this purpose. Because of that won't work otherwise.
सर हमने एक आपको या सेकंड आपको कंप्लीट डेडिकेट कर देते हैं इस काम के लिए, बच्चों को पूरा दे देते हैं कि भाई आपने आज यही करना है काम, तो उसमें मैक्सिमम पार्टिसिपेशन हो जाएगी, एक सेलिब्रेशन माहौल बन जाएगा।
जो 2.5 लाख इन्होंने प्रॉमिस किया है
सर, ये बच्चे घर से भी करते हैं,
बहुत अच्छा हमें इसके मार्क्स मिलेंगे। और ये हमें नहीं अप्रिशिएट करने की रिक्वायर्ड है, ये तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया अपने आप अप्रिशिएट करेगी, ठीक है। एंड इवन वी गेट 50% ऑफ दैट, आई विल बी हैप्पी। I will think that we have succeeded in this meeting. This will be a success. But please do it, and I know if you want to do it, everything can be done. Nothing is impossible. So please do it. Thank you.
Welcome.